How may I help you?
Right, my name is Henry.
Okay.
Mr. Santis' first son. I'm here to see my stepmother.
You mean what, Mr. Santis' first son?
Yeah, came from the United States. I'm to see my stepmother.
So how did you get to know her, yeah?
First of all, who are you?
Who am I?
Who are you?
I'm your stepmother's husband.
My stepmother had a boyfriend or a husband?
Well, husband to be.
Wow. Okay, by the way, you know what? I'm not here for that right now. I just want to make sure that I see my dad's properties, everything in the rooms. How many rooms you got over here?
You got like 7 bedrooms here.
Okay.
Okay, I don't know you and you don't know me. This is our first time meeting.
Okay.
So I'm not sure I can just allow you here. And besides, your stepmother is in a critical condition, so you can't see her.
Why not?
Why
That's
not?
my stepmother. So first of all, who are you again?
No, what am I? I just told you, bro. So why are you trying to?
You can't just cross my path like that, you know, feel me? Because my dad mentioned everything about this house to me, that come down here in Ghana, make sure everything is going good. So what the fuck you telling me that I can't see my stepmother?
No, why do you have to use the F word for me? You know me from nowhere.
Bro, I don't fucking know who you are. You want to know what my real character me right now? I'm not sure what's something right there.
No,
let me see my stepmother right now.
Listen.
Listen, I don't give shit. Let me see my stepmother
This
right now.
I just told you.
We gotta continue right. Let me see my grandma right now. Let me see my stepmom right now.
No, bro. Hold it.
First, who the fuck are you, bro?
No, who the fuck are
You
you?
guys are family, bro?
Do you know how I got your stepmom? Who's to be my wife in future? Yeah?
I think we're fucked. I know my stepmom is married, my father.
And your dad is dead, yeah?
My dad is dead, and so what? And so what?
So I don't know you, bro.
Well, I heard about you already, but we're not right now. Just let me see what you got in the room. Let me see all the rooms, how many people live over here, and I'll touch their asses. Because you are out the picture right now.
Bro.
Because I heard about you that you are an eater. You
are
a trickster. Just want to see my stepmom right now and talk to her ass because you are a trickster.
You dizzy, man.
What the fuck him?
Yo, man, you're crazy, bro.
Listen, bro. No. I know you're a freaking trickster right now. No. Who is here? Anybody in the house?
Yeah, man.
Yo, what's up, my brother?
Yeah.
What's up, man?
Yeah, what's up, man?
What the fuck is going on here? I've seen you on the camera with my dad before.
Yeah, I see you so before, so you know him.
I do know you, bro.
Yeah, okay.
What's going on in the house, bro?
Yeah, this is your room.
My room?
Yeah.
What the fuck that was talking about that bullshit, right?
Master, come here.
I'm gonna cut his head up right now. What the fuck is that motherfucker doing?
Carry him.
I don't know this guy.
Blah. Papa
No. This is my house.
This is your house.
This is my motherfucking house.
Yeah.
Ain't nobody trust my property.
So,
like, you know what?
Now, so relax. This is your house. You are come like home.
Show my room, motherfucker. Let me go take a nap. Show my fucking
this is
room.
your room. What is your bag?
Right there, bro. Look at my bag. Come on, hurry up.
Okay.
Come my bag. Come on, get out of here, bro. Take my shit. Come on.
Okay.
What the fuck?
So relax. You okay? Relax. This is Kumasi. You are coming. You are back home.
Listen, I don't give a fuck. I'm my dad's property. You understand? I'm gonna show all the rules. Afiano. That's for me. You understand? That motherfucker ain't gonna leave.
Yeah.
He gonna leave.
Yeah, you gonna leave.
Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Get my room,
Yeah,
you fuck my room. Come on, show my room.
This is your room.
Right now, go. Show my room.
I said this is your room.
Alright, let me leave.
Master.
Take my room.
This is your room.
Bro, don't fucking play my fucking with me.
Get
Get my room. Get my room.
This is your room.
Go. Listen, don't fucking play me. Alright, this is my father's house. And I'm responsible for this house.
You American.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Don't fucking blow how my fucking home. Show my fucking room. I don't fucking know my mom. I know my auntie. My stepmother right here, she's sick. I'm here for my dad's property. So get your ass, check my room. Let me take a nap. I'm tired. Where y'all go?
Oh, get out with you, Stunna.
Okay. And then they are saying,
Okay.
no one man listen, no one man a guy be there, a ban. Na guy ne kasa mu na for America na there na ba. O say, o kun no way Mr. Santi. Ne papa no. Na o say a friend Dr. Kennedy.
Na Kennedy.
I didn't say Henry, so Dr. Kennedy.
Sir.
Na him me say Kennedy Henry me.
Me kumbana.
They will see kasa you know ba na wa so ba. It's because me better talk life na we there. The talk na no dey.
One day me kunu kra ti ase no. the rough or coming to me grand cabin.
What say, Tichina or show? And I'm saying there be all critical condition or your wine. I didn't know jumping into somebody's house or because how dare me on any papa properties were back, none papa man address.
That's why our bag a fine pa.
Now only my DB swagger the bem. Or Ben one say, oh, this guy I know him. I know swagger. Like on a casada.
Yeah, video qua my swagger on a casa. So on a boy with fiance and swagger anymore. Hey,
now the guy the year one. Me de na me sure de me susu say ebia wonua H1. Ana who condition to work off obi say on me say papa because Ghana dey beat me cast London and America accent here what the fuck because say me fake here me Holland boy ene. It's your man in down.
Me ba you can what's fake here dey.
Say me fake London accent na ene one.
To me fake. Oh, now come on, your machine.
Debbie.
I so bet me a fake baby.
Oh, Debbie. Any day way back on. Or your cocoa. Or your like what Jim Kakra.
They see an ancastor, they answer me me like me who know. I know say or papa we are no crying no ampa. Or this kind of Sunday and I'm here BBA. Na video call into me no one na ya kasa.
But say bia say wa macho kakra. What say
Profon wa kan ho sheda nti mi enti obapati asokra me de na me ntimi sheda eneni nkomo sa
mama
aya kentina wo ho wusu de ade nko na ha wa ba wa se kentina ho wo wusu na wa ba ma
de ekoso na ya na ha me ho
ha wo na ekoso anka wo nua no be fi
ase wo yo ba nti ase nsem na ye wo hinti nti ana wo pesa obeti nsem bi but me ha me de ekoso me ha na ye me ya se na nakua ma ne ho kwan ma sa no ma wi nyina toto no ma kwa akoto no ko no ne ho ye de ye bataja enye sa ni frande sa isi ewu hu hwe bibia disemia me koyi ma nkoto be ma no mum de ana wo sufa we ma me fa we ma sa nti de esi bia no kore ntro bi enim na de ka ho ne se o ka kire me se me mpa wo chew e ma no ene se de na ye ko ho no se de ni kunu no ka se doctor se
enye ni kunu ka se de ne mpna na memfa akua ma wade memfa ne ma branche na wade
ma me ye ma me ka ma se de ne mpna no kai se doctor se onna kakra ma ne nsore de ben no e o si na no kore na no kore se doctor se onna for some time ma ni pie
ka doctor se no kore na wonna no da na ye de na ni ne te ye na ye gwa na hwe wono na ye gwa na de sha wono
nti sa no ka kire me se me pa o chema e ma no na de course bi anso wote ye na ebi ase ni kunu kakasa bi anye da me pa cho ma ti de ho
no kura na me mpeti me de o kan ye no eti na me se na doctor say edi wadi su na waje no ye tufu na wonte no kwa nti ade eno no wa ko fa de wo pe fofola de ekoso de ayewo a wodi si wo no na nka minim se ne wo su kwa akopɛ bia be ka de wanya ho se wo de wo ko fa de o sa ba wie wa brabo wo ko fa de o be sa wie wa brabo aka ho ahoda sa so de yan oba ne ho ya ne de ahoda sa no ene de yan adai ade na be ma no be ye wo nyame adom papa iko onya se me ka se e me de se nyame na akunu wo de nyame adom woni netie ofiri mu pa nya wabro hwe de nti so de ama wo eti wo presa age de yan eni o
woni se wabetena fia wa make a wi na wada no me de mentimi pio mentimi pie betena tita wona ma no so de call asesam ho no de call ere abesenti se minim se so aga na e best friend se Pantan se di
ani ka cha na sama so
no me
akua ade oba na ye bibia na
Debbie agenda boy ndem de ye no so de ye me no ama mi suru
wo ye me ba o kunu ba no
so my stepmom and I'm say Debbie wo ye me gira me ka say my wife to be honest what the fuck am I trying to do if do obe pull the trigger on me and so wait yo
wo chokra ma ne papa
na so papa so
how mesra
and you need to na boss up
Debbie ya me bana o ya me bana o ka so for America na ba
America ya yes
no amikru no ba no
e ba ni se na oba They be okay. You should be.
Say me crew we no. Papa we nyina won me maye. The last time when me di nkoma yen kasa bi na mani ni mfra. O ka kire me so papa na makwa no. O papa na no so. O ka tita na o ka kire me nti enti na ama waba no anche dan kan kire se me bada se anase me bada se. Enti me sra o ka kire se ma sorry ba na ma no maduro bi nti na mada. Na o mra wa se na ma me sorry why. Stunna me sra ai.
Guy there no before coming me standing no. Yeah, you can one share no be biabo. If you mean number one, I made you touch you. I know so power. Only H1 Miss Rono. I come in there, come and walk out the catching the money and more PNC.
I fancy H1 and you are no more shade. H1 crown or Nimna or Nimuno or Nimun to Miss Roma, Mammy who know I. Miss Rom. Once on another prophet from a car. No, me what the fuck? This a war. Hey, that's I mean to me. Let them in the year. I better not me my and actually, or Baba for once or Baba for now. The Obana, Kauna Casnoy. Now, swagger, me nim in some swagger. One can you be answered? How ever day? A big crowd, boy, a doctor. Why, doctor, you bet me up a woman in no be a play bit my first one. Met me on San Juan, dear. Shit. I read him, I was so would never come inside. Mr. Mammy will know.
Oh, I don't worry. I'll know what to do.
Okay.
Hey, you're clear.
I go fire the dentist out this one. Makamati. Menya se waka na. Kanya dia meti fi se kokokokoko ye dia me ba no no.
Eno na na meka no.
Onigu na so a ye pepa na entwa antwene. Enti no mekọ me no bebo anan ni akọ. Ano patututu yakọ akọhwe. Makọhwe no na de wo ma wo se wo bia no. Mahunu. Me na wo no. Me na me sunsum eta na chie. Enti me kwa de wombia no se de sunsum na na se honhom ne be ka kire me no mahunu se wo se me pe ba bi de ne fa me de ne be fa se wo se me de ne kompai ba me de ne be ko se wo se me de ne ko ba bi o se me de ne ko a me de ne be ko na de wombia no apia no ne ho ato no akoda ukoba na ma me tufu na so ntia wanyini anya sika wa yi ti aka bibia wontia
hu na me ro abu ma me nye izo
usumi de nyona aka me ko
na nakua pa ototo ni nsase se hu hwe
toto ni nsase aya woto ni nsase wa so ni nsase dia pa na ni so ama na ni so aje ni wan
na o
dia pa na ni so
ni wo ho kura akwe yompio ojiji wudi na wani asa bifura
ode wo yadan because you say why you sugar mami na dia ma no enti wo wanya bia no so bedi no akọ adan ya no se na amene ya no ane se na amene a ya ka kira wo ka bibia kira na nakua enti ma se adan hwedo akọfa aba akọ on sa be so ya meso me tenye wana nka me nko wusu ka me nko da me sin ka me nko da me na nakua nki e be twene nyonyo ka me nko me say hey se me se me nko na so nti ase na ompre na abekọ a wo de mi wu a mo nso ko me se me kankan e be sie me kankan mi wu a me da na ebo e fie we ti se
o kasa do asama yes wo be kasa sa
anya menopause nti sa na beba ati me da na o se ebo a
nti o chana be ko
anopa waka anopa
be kwa e ma no
aso den ya kasa kire mo munti afi ni wani abere na me mama de na be ya me ba abere wa de mate awie nya afi na me kofa obi asem bete de ana me be edan betemba bi ana oso ti wo eti se me kana wa si wa nti amtemba bi o wo so kwaka nua no na mfi mi amefa ho me si me wa me kankan be sie
for all this while I took you for granted. Yeah, changing yours like that, yeah. If your mind in my kuma so yeah. I took all the love you.
Your mom, you're right. What the fuck is my name right here? Who is he?
He's my husband to be.
Told you, man. That's my wife's mom. I don't trust this man. I don't like him.
No, you don't like me for
I don't like him. Can you just shut up for a minute? I'm talking about that. Mama, you don't watch it.
No, you couldn't make me here, yeah?
You have no idea who you are. Again, don't start with me.
I don't even know you.
Don't start right here.
Calm down.
Talk to you about who is this man?
Very good to me, please.
He ain't good.
Yeah.
What makes you think you're good?
Yeah.
I told you a fake person, yeah?
I don't know.
Okay, no, motherfucker, don't start again.
No, I'm not starting, bro.
I will have to feel better. Don't even start with me right now.
I'm gonna call my killer.
I have to show my
Please,
mama. Don't even go there right now.
You know my killer, King City record, AK Monday. You say, what the fuck?
Whatever, I don't hear that. Talk to me. What's going on? I'm feeling my own.
Yeah.
I'm cheap you.
You see your mom.
She can't see.
I can't see nothing.
Why didn't you tell me all this while I was in the States? I was a medical doctor. You should have told me about all this, though. What happened? What happened?
I don't know. I just do something in my room.
Can you let this man leave so we can talk one-on-one? I don't trust this man.
Why didn't you trust me? I'm always protecting her. You just tell me you don't trust me.
You are a trickster. You are a fucking trickster.
Don't use the word fucking for me, man.
You know what? No, bro. I came for one thing.
What?
One thing. Make sure she feel better. Kick your ass out of the house. Because you don't shit in this house. You feel me? You are a trickster. You are an idiot gold digger.
You call me names?
You fucker, that's who you are.
Don't fuck up with me, bro. When you fuck up with me, you fuck with thousands of soldiers, man.
You know what? I trusted you for a second to give a little trust.
Yeah?
Making sure that you take out my mom very well for the bullshit. I'm trusting a little bit, but don't push me though.
When I push you away,
fuck you up.
It's okay, man. Make one of the down now, man.
Stunna.
No, they make all
Bra.
me wa now ba we dey me down my one here wa pitwo dia bo.
She dey do na ya botlo.
I me say me wa.
Me so dwene me ho why.
Ma dwene ho pa. Ka chen so nya to wase na me obi a me ni pa boni.
Me so Stunna nya botlo ma me.
What's going on here, mama?
I can't see nothing, no. I don't know.
You go to the hospital?
Yeah.
Which hospital you go?
I Confronting.
What did it say? Like,
Stunna.
Oh, they
He told everything.
Yeah, they told me everything.
Janu, what the heck you been saying?
Hey, mommy, Janu, man, I see Janu.
Janu, what does that mean, dog?
Janu, I mean, keep on.
Can you leave so I can talk to you about my family, bro?
Okay.
Can you leave?
I'm leaving, bro. I'm leaving. Just talk to your mama.
Just leave.
I'm leaving, man.
Family matter. You can like fuck out. Leave now.
I'm watching.
Please calm down.
Watching.
Please help me.
Trust this man.
How?
I don't like him.
Oh, why?
I'm bad at him.
Why?
Why, Jimmy Papa?
Oh, please. Don't say that.
Who is
Don't
he?
say that to him.
So all this time, when my daddy passed away, you've been dating young men like my age? Why you do that?
It's a long story.
Long story.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what's going on today? What's happening right now? You don't believe him?
Small.
Okay. So what do you want from me?
Please help me. Help me.
Okay. We see what we can do. You understand?
I know you are a doctor. So help me. If you help me, but I can see again.
I can help you one way if you can kick the man out of the house. Because with him here, I don't feel comfortable. He's a trickster.
It's time for her to eat, bro.
Shit, listen. Family matter. I'm thinking
No, she got to eat. She's on medication, bro.
But don't fucking blow my head up.
No, I'm not blowing her, bro. Why you always gonna beat me?
My shadow right now.
No, man.
Listen, let me go there.
Take my shot, man. Can you forward a guy with pop body, yeah? I'll bring my killer KCT record.
Don't mind him, please.
It's okay. It's okay.
You fucking going nowhere. Speak English. I can hear what you're saying. Cause I know you fucking playing games with my mom.
I'm not playing games with her.
So what you want to go for? You suffer like
No, she got to take her medication then eat.
She can eat shit right here in my face.
No, man. That's not it.
You want to kill my mama or you have an idea about my mama?
No, bro. I've given them much more respect. Never disrespect me.
What about when I see your eye? You have an agenda. Don't trust me.
Don't trust me.
Oh, Stunna, Miss Ram. Dream me won't cry.
You catch your eyes, man.
They will hear this and they went to man. Don't need
That's why they call me Stunna.
I'm gonna go to the state. When I come back, you're gonna leave this house.
I'm gonna leave this house.
You're gonna leave this house.
Really? When you go over for God, it will be between she and I, yeah?
Okay.
So what's your beef?
Now I know what your idea is, mama. Mama, you start told you about that. That man's a trickster, and he had nothing for you. He want to just kill you, take this property. And for I'm the first time my mom felt salty. I'm gonna take my property for this property. Man. You a piece of shit.
You're shit too, man.
Call me shit.
Fuck you. You're gonna kick my ass, man.
Hey, Roddy,
listen, I'll take care of you.
Okay.
You have to promise me one thing.
Okay.
You're gonna kick this man out of the house.
Please, don't kill him, please.
No, I'm gonna kick his ass out of the house before I go back to the state. I'm gonna get your helper. I have a family doctors around. I'm gonna see when I'm gonna take over you. You feel me?
You go with me.
I can't go with you.
Okay.
I can't because when I go back, you know what? Let's try the couple hospitals here. Young Share hospitals. maybe they can help.